Now you can fully commentate.
All right, we have an officially working autonomous robot. Here on the front, you've got the IR sensors, which are programmed for about a 10 to 12 centimeter recognition distance. Here you have the switch for the battery attached to our battery below. We have the multiplexer here, which will dictate the directions that the IR will direct the robot to move based on obstacle detection. These 5-5 timers will control the pulse width that determines clockwise versus counterclockwise rotation. This comparator will determine the voltage of how far an object is before it's recognized. And here's our regulator, which will give us all power. And when we hit this bad boy right here, we get motion. Object on the right, and it turns. Object on the left, and it turns. We are in business. Oh, yeah.